Go ahead.
I'm actually a student at UTD. I'm about to head out to New York in a month to do my internship. My question was, I have a month, exams are over, I have a month holiday in between my exams ending and internship starting. What are some of the best things you could recommend I could do to get ready for the internship? They send me an onboarding document, but it lists every single technology they use with the resources. They haven't assigned me a project yet, so
Okay.
give me like an overview.
Yeah, so like I said, for myself, I was freaking out a little bit when I really didn't need to, because at that point, you know what you know. I would say the most important thing, obviously, is to just keep coding. It's good that you know exactly what they're using, so you could kind of look into that, maybe start building on a project that does use some of the stuff they're using. I don't know, do you have access to anybody on the team to kind of talk to yet, or have you not met anybody?
My email right now.
Email? Okay. Okay. Well, I'll say, man, you'll be fine, man. Just continuing to code, continuing to learn, because they're going to bring you in and let you know what they want you to do, how they do things, and really get you up to speed. Good question. Yeah. No, so they started me off small. I don't know if you guys normally would give a huge feature to an intern. Okay, I wouldn't imagine they would. So no, it was small features. You know, things that mattered, things that were important. You know, my code matters, but no, it wasn't anything crazy. Yeah, Shay.
What was your first PR?
My first PR. So we were broken up into cross-functional teams, and I was on the team that we were doing notifications, email and text notifications. So I can't remember exactly what my first one, but I know we had options to where we could send out notifications every 15 minutes, every hour, and then once a day. So, oh, you brought it up. Oh, so this is my first one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, so adding a pause and unpause, basically you could toggle between pausing and unpausing the notification. That was my very first one. Thank you.
Small feature.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was significant, so. Any other questions?
Is it somewhere we can see an example of how they set up Redux without any switch statement?
So yes, it's actually in the Redux documentation, and I know you can't see this, but in the Redux documentation, it's called reducing boilerplate, and I have the link right here, so I can show you exactly kind of how it looks without switch statements. It blew my mind. Anybody else? Yes, Shay?
Is there anything about being an intern there that just kind of completely took you by surprise, anything you weren't expecting at all, or something that just gave you a headache?
Man, I'm like, I don't know how much I can say. With the internship itself, man, there's so many things. Like I said, specifically, just some of the different ways that things are set up. But I don't know what all I can say. It's just, people like to have fun. I'm gonna just leave it at that. So I was just kind of surprised by, you know, I ain't trying to get in trouble. I want to stay around, so I'll get with you afterwards. Any other questions?
Yeah, but how long is your internship? I know normally it's 90 days or so.
Yeah, so I'll start at March 5th, and I'll be finished July 31st. And so July, I will be actively seeking full-time employment. So if you know of anyone that's looking for a front-end developer, I've been working a lot in React and Redux, but if it's a different stack, I'll pick that up as well. So that'll be coming up soon. So I would love to talk to you afterwards, if that's the case. Anyone else? And I've got references, boom. Thank you again, I appreciate it. You can find me at Mighty Joe W online, and there's my LinkedIn. Thank you again, you've been great.